Welcome to ICAS Year 3 Math. This chapter is about number and arithmetic. Number has 3 knowledge points. First, count, order and compare whole numbers to 1000. Second, place value of whole numbers to 1000. Third, skip by 2s, 3s, 5s and 10s. Order and compare halves, quarters and eighths. How many toy dinosaurs are in this picture? Okay. We can see many toy dinosaurs neatly arranged in a rectangle. There are 4 columns and 3 rows. Then you can think of using multiplication. So total is equal to 3 times 4 equals 12. Hence choose D. Which of these does not show a half? We can see option A, red and yellow are half each. Option C, red and yellow are also half each. Option D, red and yellow have 2 quarters each. Option B, yellow is more than half, and red is less than half. Hence choose B. Mr. Masters has a yard 2 with fence posts every 7 meters along one edge, as shown below. He decides to fence the rest of the yard the same way. How many more fence posts will he use? The yard 2 has 4 edges. Mr. Masters has fenced 1 edge. There are 3 edges left. Because he decides to fence the rest of the yard the same way, it means each of these 3 edges has 7 fence posts. Then 21 posts will be increased. But on the 4 corners of the yard 2, the posts were repeatedly fenced twice. We need to subtract the repeated 4 posts. So he will use 17 more fence posts. Hence choose B. How many silver stars are there? Find silver row first. Then count out 4. Hence choose B. This flower has 6 petals. How many petals does this flower have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hence choose D. Which of these is the same as 1200? It's easy. Choose C. Arithmetic has 2 knowledge points. First, multiply and divide by single digits using repeated addition, arrays or groups. Second, solve simple addition and subtraction problems. Alan had 15 apples. She ate 3 of her apples. How many apples were left? We can use subtraction. 15 minus 3 equals 12. Hence choose A. Halim bought some oranges. He gave 7 to his friend and had 8 left. How many oranges did Halim buy? We can use addition. 7 adds 8 equals 15. Hence choose C. In a card game, each animal is worth a different number of points. Tegan has these 3 cards. How many points does Tegan have? We can use addition. Elephant is 20, tiger is 7 and horse is 3. 20 adds 7 and 3 equals 30. Hence choose C. Ronnie has 9 packets of pins. There are 38 pins in each packet. How many pins does Ronnie have altogether? We can use multiplication. 9 times 38 equals 342. Hence choose C. This diagram shows how points are awarded for the first 4 places in each event at a school sports day. Tess went in 3 events and scored a total of 13 points. What could her places have been? Option A, 1 second and 2 third, which means 5 adds 3 and 3 equals 11. Option B, 1 first and 2 third, which means 7 adds 3 and 3 equals 13. Option C, 2 second and 1 fourth, which means 5 adds 5 and 2 equals 12. Option D, 1 first, 1 third and 1 fourth, which means 7 adds 3 and 2 equals 12. Hence choose B. What is 12 plus 3? By using addition, we can get 15, hence choose B. Joe had these pencils. Joe lost 2 of the pencils. How many pencils are left? Joe had 7 pencils and lost 2. We can use subtraction. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Hence choose A. What is 16 plus 27? By using addition, we can get 43. Hence choose C. Here is one bunch of cherries. How many cherries in total are in 12 bunches like this one? We can use multiplication. 2 times 12 equals 362. Hence choose D. Alice had 50 berries. She ate 17 berries. How many berries did she have left? We can use subtraction. 50 minus 17 equals 33. Hence choose A. Amy wrote down a number sentence, but one digit was rubbed out. What is the missing digit? We can try 3 first. 176 adds 234 equals 410. Then try 4. 176 adds 244 equals 420. Then try 5. 176 adds 254 equals 430. Lastly try 6. 176 adds 264 equals 440. Hence choose C.